Speech. Should exams be replaced with continuous assessments? Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to speak on the topic, should exams be replaced with continuous assessments? Exams are an important part of education. They help teachers check students' knowledge and understanding. However, many students feel stressed and anxious during exams. Sometimes students forget everything because of pressure. Continuous assessment is a system where students are evaluated throughout the year through class tests, assignments, projects, and participation. This method helps teachers understand students' progress regularly. There are many advantages of continuous assessments. First, they reduce exam pressure. Second, they encourage students to study regularly instead of preparing only before exams. Third, they improve creativity and practical learning. On the other hand, exams are also useful. They teach students time management and prepare them for future challenges. In my opinion, exams should not be completely replaced. A balanced system of both exams and continuous assessments is the best option. This will help students learn better and reduce stress. Thank you.